Welcome to New Botany and to another presentation on mosses of the group Didymodon. And I've got two here, which I found locally and which I believe I've been able to identify from published figures and diagrams, photos, etc. And this one's Didymodon vinealis. The one that I have fell off a roof and was found in a street. This one, Didymodon sinuosus, was found growing on a wall. It has open cushions and very long ragged leaves. Both mosses, I think, are pretty common. I've ever only found one specimen of vinealis, though, and one specimen of sinuosus. Other species seem to be much more common than these two. So vinealis looks like that under the Google Pixel 9 camera. Dark green, longish triangular leaves and a very dense clump. In sinuosus, the leaves are very ragged and they can be distinguished from insulanus because the leaves are longer and they have that ragged appearance to them. This one is one I've only found one specimen of, and I can't remember where I found it, but it's definitely Didymodon luridus, and the gametophytes are tightly packed in form. There is no sort of raggedy looking appearance to them, and that's because the gametophytes are quite small, in fact much smaller than you'd find in other Didymodons, and a much more triangular shape without a point. So the leaves are like a blunt triangle, and this is the hydrated form. And this one is pretty easy to tell, I think, from the other species also. And what I've done is I've shown you pictures of all three species together here: vinealis, sinuosus and luridus, and you can just see how different they are. You can tell them apart easily using a high quality camera, and I think these three species are pretty distinctive. So if you find them, I hope you can use these images to help you identify them in the wild if you go out looking for mosses. I hope you will. Thanks for watching.